Welcome everyone. Today I will be unboxing the Logitech K400 Plus media keyboard that is wireless and connects via USB adapter. You can sit on your couch. The batteries for this keyboard can last up to 18 months, maybe. We'll see. It is compatible with Windows, Chrome OS, and Android. The good thing about this keyboard is that it's wireless, so I don't have to deal with a lot of wires. And I can just sit on my chair instead of having to move up close to the desk to use the keyboard. It has a built-in touchpad. The key layout is easy to remember and easy to use. It has a 10-meter connection range. Here are some of the additional features, what you'll need, and system requirements. Let's start opening it up. Here you can see we have the keyboard. Whenever you get this keyboard, the USB adapter will be right here. Be careful not to lose it. Here's some instructions on how to set it up. And some safety, warranty information. It feels good when you hold it. The keyboard isn't heavy at all. It's pretty light. Feels like it's good quality for the price. You have everything that you would need, all the letters, function keys. Here you have a mouse button on the top, I think. You have the logo. Here you have all the volume controls. Increase volume, lower volume, and mute. Here's a touchpad. Here you have left click, and then here's right click. On the top you have the power button to turn it on and off. Here you'll notice, if you pull this out, you'll see the batteries. By the way, it already includes batteries. So all you need to do is pull this thing out so that it can work. You can store the USB adapter here and then put the lid on if you're ever having to take it with you anywhere. It also has 4 rubber feet, 1 on each corner. That's pretty much everything you have on the keyboard. Now let's test it out. Here we have the keyboard. We're going to test it out. First, let's connect the Wi-Fi adapter to the laptop. Now, let's turn it on. Here it is. As you can see, the mouse definitely works. The buttons also work. The mouse. Now let's try typing. Yep, it types well, like you would expect. Volume controls also work. try playing a YouTube video. Everything seems to work well. Now that we've tested it, let's compare it to one of the other keyboards that I've used. Here's a Lenovo wireless keyboard. I mean, it works great, but every time you use it on your lap, it makes a sound as if you were breaking it every time it flexes. So the Logitech keyboard is better and sturdier. Overall, the keyboard is great. It does what it's supposed to do, like a normal keyboard. It is wireless and doesn't have any cables. It's easy to set up. It only costs $24.99 USD. I bought it from Best Buy. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to buy it. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this keyboard if you're looking to find a wireless keyboard that is not too expensive and that works.